Statue of Liberty ceremony. That's pretty funny.
There we go.
Dave, this one's gonna go bigger than the last one.
Get out of your face, Jasper.
Dave, this one's gonna be bigger than last time.
Oh shit!
You do shit like
A candy cane! Oh yeah!
Happy New Year's, bitches.
Dave, you're gonna catch a fire, bud.
Fuck! I thought fireworks were fucked up.
What's up? Humping it away.
Yeah. Woo! God damn! You must have
Some people say I like
fucking
flames
flames right there. Use my language.
Good one, Dave. Give me a high five, dude. Good one.
Come on, high five each other.
High five.
Yeah, high five.
Good job.